Some more glued locks here. This one, not as bad as last time they got it because this thing still moves. Wow. I'm going to try digging that out with a hook tool. They defeated themselves by putting wood in it. Looks like it may be a toothpick. So that came out of the lock. That's about 1.5 inches long. And the hole's getting cleaner, so I'm going to try jamming a key in it pretty soon here. And with a little finessing, it's that easy. Let's see if it locks again. Ha! It locks. You can see the glue running out of the lock right there. I've got to get that cleaned up, fixed again.